Another great morning in the Bahamas. I'm gonna show you something. My davits, this is my davit system. Lifts up my dinghy. Down there on that one, see how that's attached at the bottom? Well, this happened yesterday. That cast part right there, well, it broke. And so, and this is where I lift up my dinghy each night so it's not in the water. Number one. Number two, it makes it a little harder for it to float away if it's lifted up. So, currently, that's the system right there, which I'm happy with while we're, at anchor. But I got to figure out how to fix this so I can lift up the dinghy. We can always put the dinghy up on the front deck when we're traveling, so it's not a problem. I mean, right now it's just my satellite, or it's my Starlink mount right now is all it's going to be good for. But I think I can try and fix it. I have some aluminum weld, low temperature welding stuff on board. So I'm going to take it apart. Looks like there's still, all of it's there. So I can maybe weld it back together. I don't know. I'm going to try. I've already contacted the company, sent them pictures, got the part number. Well, there's no part number. That was the part. That's the interesting part on their website. They have everything but that one part. So anyways, I emailed them this morning with pictures, and hopefully they can get back to me and get it to Julie in California before she flies back. But we'll see. I'll give you an update on that. Anyways, that's what we're doing today in the Bahamas. We're going to take this apart and try and put it back together. So I'll figure out something so that we can use it, but it's always better to have the original part working. All right, so that was fun. I got the parts off for the most part, so I'm just getting this last little piece off, see if I miss anything important, and then we'll grind it down and we'll see if we can weld this all back together and have a functional piece. So. Whatever builds up between two dissimilar metals, aluminum and stainless steel. So all that's going to have to be cleaned off. So for the most part it's there. So I don't know how strong that weld will be, but it's worth a try. Because I ain't got nothing else to do today other than go to the beach. Up here. There we go. That was kind of a fail. Not kind of, it was. These little things right here, these little metal rods, little welding rods, these things are crap. Those are literally going in the trash because they don't do anything. They don't, I mean, it takes forever to get them to melt. I don't know. I mean, what you see on the commercial versus how they work in life. Of course, that happens with a lot of things, but you know what? For 15 bucks, it was worth the risk because it might have saved the day. It didn't. So here's what I ended up doing. Add a little bit of meat in there on that piece. So what it is, I grinded out this lip and drilled a hole, tapped it. So that's probably strong enough to hold the dinghy up. No motor apparent, obviously. So I'll put this back on. This will be my temporary fix. The fantastic news is that Atkins and Hoyle, who make these, who make the davits, they called me this morning and were able to locate this part and ship it to Julie, and it should be there Monday, so I have a brand new part coming. So after doing all of this, I find out I'm getting my new part, which is just fine, because I still had fun doing this. I like to see if I can fix things when I'm in a situation like this. But I'll go ahead and use this for a little bit, and then and when Julie gets here with the part, I'll replace it. And I'll hold on to this one as a spare, because you never know, might be same situation again. So anyways, cool. Anyways, got it all back together. That was fun. You can see it's a little bit bumpy out here today. See the dinghy. So imagine trying to put nuts and bolts together while you're bouncing around on that thing. But there it is. It's all in there. I think it's fairly strong. It's probably going to last for a while, so I'm going to test it. Just can't, race it with the motor on there, which, I don't do anyways. Not anymore, not since it broke. So, all right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, because I did. One last thing I wanted to share with you here. This is what one little project does. See all the mess? Tools come down here. That's all destroyed. That's all destroyed. Cushions everywhere. So yeah, that's what I do. I make messes and I clean them up every day. What do you think, doggy? Wanna go to shore? No, we're not going. We're going a little bit. I'm just gonna clean up here and we'll go. Ah, cool. So here we are. The boat's over there. Way over there. We're on the beach. Hillary? You wanna go check out the cabin? Ah, you're wet. Go get it. So the cabin, I don't know if you can see it from the beach. It's up here. Anyways, another awesome day. How much battery I got? I got 3/4. My other battery's dead on my phone. On my camera. I thought I charged it. So I had to bring the GoPro. So we'll see how this does. Anyways, you ready? Come on. Come here. Come over here. No, we're not playing. We're not playing. We gotta go. See, you remember a trail. Maybe it's further down the beach here. There's the cabin up there. Come on. Here's the trail. What is it? Come on. Slow down, Heel. Slow down. Not in a hurry. Check that out. These old brick walls. That's cool. Keep going, let's go across. Here's the inside. Looks like it needs some work. Hey, light fixture's still good. Come on, let's go out. We're up at the old cabin here, which is kind of cool. It's got a great view. That's Georgetown up there. It's kind of cool. You can see the shallow spots and everything. So when I came up, I had to be like, woo, and avoid that big old thing. Come in here, come along there, and then avoid that one over there. So pretty well marked on the charts, but it's always more important to watch. Obviously visual's the best thing to keep you out of trouble. Ooh, might have found a treasure down there. Huh. I see a, down there on the beach, I see a gas can that's washed up there. If that's a good gas can, that'd be a score. It fell off someone's boat, I bet. Yeah, we'll take a look. We'll take a little buzz around the beach. Nothing stopping us. What you think, Hill? What you think? Are you thirsty? Come here. It's a thirsty doggy. Is that enough? Want any more? You want any more? Huh? Where's the lid? Look at that thing. That's a fixer-upper right there. Huh. See if I can get a good view of this. What is this? Look at this old Jeep. It's awesome. This one's beyond repair, though. Let's see if we can get a... Yep. It's a Jeep, all right. Ooh. Hey, good spare tire. That thing got eaten up, man. Ooh, I'm getting chewed up out here. There's the roll bars. Oh, the old garden. Well, we're gonna head out of here, go down to the dinghy and take it around the island and go and see what that's a good tank of gas over there. That'd be a nice find. Gotta go back down the trail though. Get to the boat. Alright, there's the cabin. We're leaving this beach. We're gonna go around the corner here. We're gonna go see if that's a good gas can over there. I'm curious. If it is, that'd be great. I could use another gas can, especially a free one. Anyways, kind of fun to go check out the coast here. We made it up on the beach here. A little swell. I think the boat's gonna be okay. I got my anchor. I'm not going far. I'm gonna be right here. But that water feels good. I want to go swimming. I'm just gonna go over to the other beach where it's not so wavy. But look at this. Might have found us a little treasure island here. Come here, Hill. Come on. Dude, it's looking good, looking good. Uh-oh, lose my dinghy. Gotta get back there. We'll see here. Dude, there's gas in it. Well, there's water, something in it. But that thing's in great shape. Always looking for treasures.